Good morning everyone, welcome to my show. You can see we have a cylinder here, and if you look closely, let me touch it for you. You see this milkish color. This indicates that the water has mixed with the oil, which means the gasket is not working, maybe due to overheating. You understand? So we're losing it, and once you lose it, I will show you the gasket to see by yourself. It might have gone. This is a gasket, engine gasket. You can see it has gone. Look at here very well. Yeah, you can see it has gone too, and that is why there's mixture of water with oil, which is not good for the engine. You can see water vapor on the cylinder. You can see sign of water. You can see. So we're working on it, and what should return to normal. Thank you. I hope this helps, and please put a thumbs up to like this video, or anyway helps you. Have a nice day. Thank you.